Hey guys, I am Vaibhav and you are watching CyberNetics. So today I am going to do the unboxing of this Amazon basic tripod. So let's get started. So here we have the Amazon basic tripod box here, and over here it is written Amazon Basics and 50 inches lightweight aluminum tripod, and the same thing is written in different languages. Over here we have written that it is made in China and some manufacturing addresses. So let's open this box. So it is packed in this plastic wrap, and if we open this, here we have the tripod in this case. Let's go to the main thing, the tripod. So here we have the tripod. It looks really good because of the price. I bought it from Amazon for just 800 rupees. Here we have the tripod. Let's open this. So this is the height of the tripod. As you can see, I am 6 inches tall. I am standing with this tripod so that you can judge the height of this tripod. It is really sturdy. If we'll set the camera here, it will not move around. We can move it like this. The video will not shake because this is really good metal. And as you can see, here we have the leveler. I will set it. Okay, now this is set. So this is the Amazon's basic tripod. You can buy this from Amazon, and I'll also leave a link in the description down below to buy this. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.